Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to make your account public on X, formerly Twitter. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go and click on settings and privacy. And after that, go and click on privacy and safety. And after that, go and click on audience and tagging. And here you should disable or deactivate the first option. But you should know that anyone, if you deactivate that option, anyone can see all the details of your Twitter account. That means he can see your tweets and everything that you published publicly on your X or Twitter account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, of course, like to deactivate it, you have to click on it. It should not be green. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.